Hello, welcome to the second part of the unit number 2 of the book Interchange 1. So, the objective of the day is to identify when to use different prepositions and expressions about time. So, let's start. Here we have some time expressions. We have at, early, around, late, until, before, and after. Let's talk about a little bit about them. As you know, every time we mention the time, we need to use at, which means we have to say at 7, at 4 p.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I have lunch at 12 p.m. Okay, so every moment we say the time, we need to use at. Now, early, as you might know, if you wake up at 6 a.m., that's very early. But if you wake up at 11 in the morning, that's very late. We have, I exercise before noon or afternoon. In this case, before noon means like 11 or 10 in the morning. Afternoon means 1 or 2, doesn't matter. I stay up until midnight means that you go to bed at midnight. It's good that you remember that these prepositions at, on, and in have different uses. It's good that you remember all the uses that they have so you don't make mistake when formulating examples. We use at for a specific time, as I told you before, for holiday period. They sing carols at Christmas, on days, on dates, okay? Which means we say, my birthday is on September 10th. But if we only say the month, we have to say in. In this case will be, my birthday is in January or in September. We use in as well for years, the decade, the century, the season, and the time period. Okay? The Titanic sank in 1912. Life was difficult in the 1940s. We're living in the 21st century. We go to the beach in summer. The meeting starts in 10 minutes. Okay? So it's good that you remember all the uses that these prepositions have. Now, let's see an exercise. As I said, we have here 11:30. For a specific time, we need to use at. I have lunch at 11:30 on Mondays. Okay? I have a snack around 10. Around 10 can mean like 10:15, 10:20. All right? At night. But before we continue, let's remember something as well. Remember that we say on weekdays, on Thursdays, on weeknights, and on weekends. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Only night is at night. You never say in the night. That is incorrect. You have to say at night. So here we continue. On Fridays, I leave school early. Okay. I stay up until 1 a.m., not before, until 1 a.m. on weekends. I sleep until noon on Sundays. So it's very important that you remember and study the uses, all the uses that these prepositions have. And I hope that you have learned in this lesson. Thank you.